what I recommend on the first day of school. Hey everyone, the first day of school is always exciting and maybe a little nerve-wracking too. Whether you're a student, parent, or even a teacher, here are my top tips and recommendations to help make day one smooth and successful. Number one, come prepared. Bring all your basic school supplies, notebook, pens, pencil, ID, water bottle. If you're not sure what to bring, go with the essentials. A small notebook for jotting down reminders is a lifesaver. Number two, dress neatly and comfortably. First impression matter. Wear your clean uniform or a nice outfit if there's no dress code. Comfortable shoes equals happy feet. Number three, arrive early. Aim to arrive 15 to 30 minutes before the class. This gives you time to find your room, meet classmates, and settle without pressure. Number four, be friendly and open. Smile and say hi to someone new. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Everyone's adjusting like you. Make at least one new friend today. Number five, listen and take notes. Teachers usually give important instructions on day one, like schedules, rules, supplies, and other things. Write them down so you don't forget. Number six, set a positive mindset. Think of the first day as a fresh start. Set small goals like I'll be organized this year or I'll speak up more in class. And a bonus tips, bring your favorite playlist for the commute and pack a little snack or take a quick photo on your day one memory. So, that's it for my first day of school tips. It's totally okay to feel nervous, but remember you've got this. Whether you're entering a new grade, a new school, or returning after a break, be kind, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more school tips.